You have the heart.
Right there, the aortic arch.
Aortic arch. And you have this right here, which is the
brachiocephalic trunk.
And you have 3, and this right here is the right subclavian. You have your right and left coronary arteries. Then when you get up in here, you have the artery turns into the right axillary artery, and then your right brachial artery right there. And then back to the aortic arch. You have your brachycephalic, and then
your left subclavian.
Your left subclavian. And that turns into, the same thing over here, your axillary and then brachial artery. And then you have your
veins.
Superior vena cava. That breaks off into your left, or right and left brachycephalics. Right there.
Going up would be the transverse jugular.
Yeah, these 2 things on this. No, transverse jugular's right here.
Oh, yeah.
And then you have your external jugular veins. Goes down on the sides. And then you have your, right here in this little bitty area is your right subclavian. And then your right axillary vein. And then turns into your brachial vein. And then on this side you have your left subclavian, your axillary, your left axillary vein.
And then the subscapular.
Subscapular goes right here. Yeah. And then you have your descending aorta. And then on this side, you have your azygos. Right? Azygos. Sweet. And your heart, your lungs, your trachea. Yeah.